up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Michelle and I post all things beauty and fashion related with a little bit of lifestyle sprinkled in too, and I upload 2 to 3 times a week. And if that is something that interests you, please make sure that you subscribe and ring that notification bell if you haven't already. And today we're going to be unboxing the winter Causebox, so if you would like to see what we got for the winter edition, please keep on watching. So we've got our Causebox right here. Yeah, let's open it up and see what we got. So the very first thing we're pulling out of here is this cozy cloud wrap. Ooh, from Thread & Supply. Let's open this up. It looks super plush and soft. Ooh, it is. Okay, so yeah, it's just like this cozy little wrap. Alright, I'm very excited. It's so soft. It feels like it's going to be perfect to lounge in. Next we have this rejuvenating body polish, exfoliating body scrub with coffee and moringa oil from True Moringa. And it looks like this. You guys know I have extremely dry skin. Body scrubs are my best friend. So I'm super excited about this. Next we have this Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. Also super into skincare, so very excited to give this a try. I have other things from this product line which I haven't quite tried yet, but maybe I'll have to try them all together. Then we have these reusable silicone baking mats. It's a 2-pack. This is really cool actually because it definitely limits your impact on the environment. You're not using you know, all of that parchment paper and stuff. This is much better. And this says that it is BPA and PVC free, reusable, washable, dishwasher and microwave safe, vegan friendly, fridge, freezer and oven safe. Temperature range can go from -30 degrees to 240 degrees. FDA approved and protects your oven trays. So I think that is really awesome. Ooh, lots of lounge stuff. So we also got these socks, like these big fluffy socks from Maggie's Organics. They're heathered slouchy socks. These are going to be huge on me, I can already tell, but I'm still going to rock them. They're just like a one size, and they're also like folded here, so let's see how wide, like big they actually are. So yeah, this is the size of them, standard size, but I wear a kid size shoe, so they'll be too big. But it'll be fine. Still be nice and comfy for lounging around the house. Alright, and then the very last thing that we got is this 2021 planner from Idlewild Co. And it looks like this. I actually already have a 2021 planner, but I wanted one for work. So I think I'm either going to use this for working out because I'm trying to keep track of like how much I'm exercising, or I can use this for work, like just for my channel and stuff, make sure I'm staying on track. But it's really pretty. I really like the design. Super whimsical and fun. And yeah, feels like really sturdy quality. I'll definitely be able to find a good use for this. Alright guys, so that was everything that was in the winter edition of the Causebox. Again, I have all of the information listed down below, as well as where to go to find this box. It's not like an affiliate link or anything. I'm not an affiliate with them. This isn't sponsored or anything like that. I do pay for this box seasonally, but I honestly do like it. So if you liked this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell on your way out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!